All right, welcome back. In a few minutes, you will see this excavator in its finished form work in the sandpit, but I first wanted to talk you through some of the design details. So in the back, below this cover, we have our battery storage. I'm currently using a 2.2 amp hour 2S battery, a lot larger than what I'm using in my other machines that you have seen already in this scale. But because I had this lying around and because it acts as a counterweight, I think this is actually a pretty good solution. In hindsight, I wish I had made this a little bit wider so that I could also run 3S batteries. This is also a 3S battery, but obviously quite different energy content. So from the battery, the power goes into an ESC that sits on the other side, together with a 6-channel receiver. The ESC itself has 3 channels. 2 are driving the motors for the skid steer driving of the excavator, and the 3rd channel drives the slew motor that turns the upper structure of the excavator. Then the battery also goes into a BEC that is below this cover, and that BEC powers the 3 servos on the excavator. And obviously these are kind of the characteristic of this excavator. I've tried to mount them on these linkages so that at least some of the weight of the servos counteract the weight of the excavator arm, so that they are not dead weight, or not only dead weight, that reduces the payload of the excavator. And I think it has largely been successful. There are still some mixes that I need to program on the radio to make it a bit better, but it has been a lot of fun to learn how to operate an excavator with this machine. And you can follow me along how I hopefully become a little better driving those functions at the same time than I am now. And until then, thank you very much for watching. See you later.